So Harvard, I'm going to teach you to make a pretty basic plane. So I think it's pretty simple. So first you take the top edge and fold it about halfway down into the middle. Give a nice crease. The same for the other side. And it's fine if it's not that well lined up. But the more lined up you get it, it's like the better. So then I'm gonna take this edge and I'm just gonna turn it from this side right about to the center again. And give a nice short crease. Same for the other side. Okay, and you fold the plane in half. You want this fold should be like exact. Then you take the top edge and fold it down right about until it just about passes this corner. Do the same for the other side. So there you have a pretty basic plane. What I like to call this plane is the swordfish because it's like long and pointy. This is actually supposed to be a trick plane, but when you throw it like this, it doesn't do many tricks. So then you want to take the tip and then just twirl it. See, I'm just twirling it. And then you want to give these sides a nice bend. Don't fold it, just bend it. Bend it. So now when it flies, it's gonna, like mine's is pointed one direction. So it's mostly, because like this part is like its steering wheel. So it's probably gonna move this way unless this side's weight is heavier. And it's gonna do like spins in the air. So let's see how it flies. So it was supposed to go straight, but then it went that way because the tip, when I threw it, was pointed this way. So then if I do it in the center, it's gonna do twirls. So that's how you make what I call the swordfish. Thank you. And click the subscribe button below.